The collective noun flower is defined either as an abstract noun to indicate a group of the objects to share the same characteristic.
The speakers in the linguistic group apply the tangible object to define the abstract noun flower, so that the definition of the abstract noun flower as a collective noun is distilled from the condition of the tangible object.
Or as a general noun whose definition and unit of the object indicated by the general noun flower are in the linguistic group. The speaker and the listeners are able to indicate an object that is a tangible object.
So the speakers are able to define the general noun with the indication on the tangible object. Secondly, the tangible object indicated by the general noun flower,
whose starting point and the ending point
to identify the unit of the object or definite, is able to be counted with the number.
The speakers in the linguistic group can distinguish the only unit of the object indicated by the general noun flower. So the speakers in the linguistic group reveal the number of the object, the general noun flower, like a flower or flowers. The speakers who want to the collective noun flower do not reveal the number of the object because
we can understand this because we can identify the second object with the number 2 after we identify the first object with the number 1 from the accorded definition.
So we can come across the question, when do we reveal a determiner that is an indefinite article a to reveal that the object indicated by flower? The speaker considers the responses to the question, what is flower, various and not being accorded. As a definition for the collective noun flower is not accorded, the speaker does not reveal the unit of the object indicated by the collective noun with the determiner, the indefinite article a or on, or the suffix s. The indefinite article on has the similar form with the indefinite article a with the suffix letter n.
The effect of the consonant n is to distinguish the two continuous sounds of vowels.
The continuous arrangement of the two vowels are needed to be separated because the listeners can identify distinctive the speakers in the linguistic group of English are agreed to add the consonant n so that the tongue touches the upper part of the oral system. The flow of air can be blocked for a while. It made the same effect to stop the sound. For example, I pronounce an apple. The speaker who does not add the consonant letter n may sound like this, apple. apple. The indefinite article a and the first letter of the word apple, a, needed to be distinguished. So the speaker in the linguistic group of English add the consonant letter n, so on apple. The effect of adding the consonant letter n is to clarify the pronunciation of each vowel. In the definite article a and the first vowel sound of the word,
rather than pausing the pronunciation like apple.
There is a conference about a general noun flower. The speaker reveals the unit of the tangible object indicated by the general noun flower with the indefinite article a, which is a determiner, because the start and end point of the object indicated by the general noun flower are clarified.